Oh, look at this. How sweet. How sweet it is. Melky on his way to third. Watch out. Now the ball gets away. Here comes Melky, and this game is tied at 1.
And now John Gibbons is coming out. He wants to have a word with Greg Gibson. This should be interesting to see exactly what Gibbons is out there for.
Well, interference.
Yeah.
That's what he's out there for.
Well, one of the things that happened was Colabello, as he went after the baseball, just slipped. This an inside-out swing and a little looper into right field. Bautista, who's not throwing near as well as he did, gets it back in, but ball gets away. And what he's saying is that Darrell Boston might have gotten in the way as Colabello tried to get the ball. And it's base hit E9